Hello! The purpose of this short presentation is to help you understand how to follow the reasoning steps when writing your memos for this course. We hope you'll turn in well-written documents, ones that receive high grades. This slide is for people who cannot hear me. We'll give them a few minutes to read it. Here are the reasoning steps you are expected to follow in your memos. 1. Identify the problem or issue. 2. Carry out an analysis. 3. Discuss the implications and insights arising from your analysis. 4. Recommend an action. And finally, number 5, support your recommended action. This is an assessment exercise as well as an assignment for your course. It is likely your paper will be reviewed by ASB faculty raters. If so, this will be done anonymously, meaning your name will not appear on the memo. ASB does assessment exercises in order to maintain our AACSB accreditation. Your instructor and only your instructor will assign your grade for this memo assignment. In some sections of Corporate Finance 1, poorly written memos and ones not following the reasoning steps will be returned to the student with no credit given. You should check with your instructor on how he or she handles memos that are either poorly written or do not follow the reasoning steps. Now, this is an example assignment. It has to do with a Roth IRA and a traditional IRA and building up wealth over a career. And it really has nothing to do with this particular course. It's an example. We're trying to show you an example here that demonstrates the steps to reasoning. So please do not think that this is your assignment. This is not your assignment. Now here's a memo. Here's what your memo, how it should be structured. Up in number 1, you see step number 1 where we identify the problem. We're very clear here. It says the problem is determining whether a traditional IRA or Roth IRA is the right product for you. And then we conduct an analysis. And again, we're very clear. It says the following analysis will help you determine. Look at paragraph 2. It starts with the following analysis. The reader does not question whether an analysis is being done or not. It says the following analysis will help you determine. And then we drop down to the third paragraph. It says the implications of investing in a Roth IRA and so on. Now that's where we do step 3, discuss implications and insights. So we're very clear. The reader knows, okay, this is the implications section. Your instructor and any faculty raters are going to be looking to see if you're following the steps to reasoning. So you want to be very clear. In number 4, it's a very short paragraph. It says, I recommend you fund with a Roth IRA during your college years. And so it's just your recommendation. We'll go. Number 5 is support your recommendation. Give the reason or reasons that you made the recommendation. State why. Now notice, a reader would not question whether the reasoning steps were followed or not because it's very clear. It says the problem is determining. That's step 1. And then in the next paragraph, the following analysis will. It's very clear. And so that's what you want to be sure in your memo for the course, which is a whole different assignment than what's you see here. This is just showing you the structure. You want to make sure your memo is structured in the same clear manner. Your instructor will furnish you with the actual memo assignment for this course. Please turn in a document that is well written and be sure to follow the reasoning steps as shown in the foregoing example. Please help us demonstrate that Ramapo students are capable of great work. Thank you.